Hey guys, so I have a ton of new Supplier packages to open on camera with you guys, so let's just get started. Here's the first box, and in here we got the Yummy Bear cinnamon roll donut. This is so cute. I love it so much. The packaging is so adorable. Super squishy and slow rising. It's so cute. Next we got some of the mini sweets collection. Here is the Yummy Bear cornet. It's so cute. Just look at that, it's so adorable and really small. Super duper squishy and slow rising. Yummy Bear cupcake. It's so adorable. Super duper squishy and slow rising. We restocked on the Candy Bears donuts. They're so cute, so squishy, and they do come with the box. We got some of these Cafe Dien squishies. They're so soft and so slow rising. We got a bunch of these Disney Chigiri breads. These are the sets, so I think this is Piglet. This is Minnie Mouse. Oops. There is Winnie the Pooh, Mickey, Daisy, and Donald. Those are so cute. I'm so excited for this. We got some of the Catty Corn cotton candies. This is like a different brand of squishies that they make Catty Corn squishies. This is a like cat unicorn, and it is cotton candy. It's just so cute. I love the like wooden stick. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it's so soft and so slow rising. So my audio has been really messed up, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this part. We got the mini cheesecakes. It did come with a big one. I'll show you why, but that's still really awesome. There is the galaxy one. They're so squishy. I love them so much. There's a bunch of different ones. We are limited though. I think that's the pink Aurora or Aurora. They're all listed on the website, and you guys will be able to tell which one's which. They're so squishy though, and really slow rising. And they're just so adorable. That one is tropical, I believe. The names are on the website. They're just so awesome. And there's a chocolate one. I know for the strawberry one, we do only have one of those left, so we're super limited stock, as you can see. We also restocked on the Sacher Torte chocolate cake squishies that are really awesome. They're one of my favorite squishies right now. So that is the end of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed. All these items will be on my website, CharmsLOL.com. Will be linked down below. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.